Assalamu alaikum viewers, Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Princess Caroline of Monaco style, Princess Grace its life inspired by Princess Caroline of Monaco. This look speaks of quiet luxury and timeless elegance, refined details, and sophistication, a style that's trend. It's defined them from royal gathering to modern royal movements, and these outfits reflect confidence, culture, and the classic beauty. Minimal, graceful, chic, because true royalty never needs to announce itself. Timeless, elegant trial inspired by Princess Caroline of Monaco. A look that respects luxury and lives forever. Luxury and elegance meet royal heritage inspired by Princess Caroline of Monaco. These outfits is a tribute to grace, intelligence, and strange power. Classic today, icon forever. Classic royal elegance. True elegance is claim, confidence, and timeless. Inspired by Princess Caroline, this look reflects refined beauty and noble grace, clean lines, soft movements, and effortless charm. A style rooted in heritage yet forever modern. This fashion for our moments. This is elegance for our time. Lifetime stylity meet modern. Inspired by Princess Caroline, this outfit's quite luxury and charm. Every details, every movement's graceful because real style follow trends. It's become history, soft power, royal pose, timeless beauty. Inspired by Princess Caroline, a look that speaks without saying a word. Soft. She carried grace like a second skin. Inspired by Princess Caroline, these outfits follow with elegance and inner delicates, composed, and the kind of beauty that never fades. Royalty is not just a crown; it's inspired by Princess Caroline. This look, traditional and timeless style designs for women, how move with confidence and trust with us. Elegant style inspired Princess Caroline, a timeless for women how grace hours and style that speaks softly but lasts forever. Ultra style Princess Caroline of Morocco inspired elegance, quiet luxury, and integral grace. Royal confidence, elegance began with confidence inspired by Princess Caroline of Monaco. This look reflects warmth and grace, not dramatic, not loud, just timeless beauty carried with because true royalty is felt no show. Old world charm, one's grace inspired Princess Caroline. These outfits capture heritage, culture, and quiet conjugation, a style that belong in art, galleries, places, and history books. Feminine power. She don't need experience to stand out. Inspired by Princess Caroline of Monaco, this look celebrates elegance and inner soft in appearance. Powerful presence, luxury image. Monaco soft sunlight, refined royal pose inspired by Princess Caroline. These outfits move and charm, fashion that feel like less more meanings. Inspired by Princess Caroline, this look refined, quite luxury and timeless style because elegance never try. It's simple is Grace follows naturally, inspired by Princess Caroline. This outfit reflects balance and refinement. It's a reminder that simplest is the high. From luxury outfits, is inspired by Princess Caroline, designed to feel beautifully, move gracefully, and feel royal, perfect for women who choose elegance every day. Princess Caroline of Monaco inspire elegance, heritage meets modern grace. She grew up in royalty but chose grace over trend. Inspired by Princess Caroline of Monaco, this look reflects intelligence and your timeless beauty and style reminder, not replace. And reverse because elegance is central. Some moments follow fashion, others become icon. Inspired by Princess Caroline of Monaco, this look carry and timeless beauty. No exercise. Princess Caroline of Monaco, this outfit celebrates balance, culture, and refined taste. Luxury felt, not display. Grace has a history. Inspired by Princess Caroline of Monaco, this outfit reflects royal heritage and modern elegance. Designs for women's walls, glass hour trend. Rooted in Arabian's heritage, inspired by Princess Caroline of Monaco, this look brings together traditional and pop style that feel like gentle in movement, strong and inspired by Princess Caroline. These outfits follow with elegance, emotional tribute is claim, royalty is discipline, grace. Composures inspire Caroline. This look reflects a woman's honor, her worth, and timeless. Inspired by Princess Caroline, pure elegance, quiet luxury, royal energy, fashion change, elegance remain. Inspired by Princess Caroline of Monaco. Thoughtful designs is inspired by Princess Caroline. This look define elegance without exercise. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.